Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how you guys can install Tor browser on Windows PC or laptop. So first of all, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And first of all, open your browser, search here Google Tor browser. Click on the download button. I guess it's not working. So you can see this, it's not working, so we have to use a VPN connection. For using this download, you can use a VPN connection. I'm using uh, this type of VPN. You can see, wait, I'm using this VPN to download this, and you can also try this. It will work. So now you can see this, it has been downloaded. Sorry, it has open page. You can see this. I'm using Windows, so it is for Android, Linux, Apple, Mac, and this for Windows. So this is for Windows. Download this. I will download this cause I'm using Windows. It will take a while cause it is 6.97 MBs. It will take a few minutes. Well, you can see this, it's downloading. And first thing I just want to show, this is a very safe tool. You can surf safely, and you can read this. Tor is the strongest tool for privacy freedom online. It's free and open software maintained by Tor project. So you can see this, it's a very safe tool which is mostly used by hackers. You can use this. It's free of course, available on internet. You can download this by just doing this. It will take a while. So it's still downloading, and you can see if you wanna download this, you can download in this languages. You can see this, it's Quechua, Dutch, Espanol, Francis, like this. You can download this. So you can see this. Chinese is also available. I guess it's Chinese or something else, I don't know. So now you can see this, it has been downloaded. So first of all, just open, run Tor project. You can see this, run. I will select English. You can select your own language, whatever yours. You can read this. I will just go to install. So now you can see this, it is installing in my PC. So now you can see this, it has been installed. Just click finish. It's a tool you can access dark web also. You can see this connect Tor, click configure setting, connect. This may take several minutes, so you can see this, it will take a while. So now you can see this is a Tor browser, which is very famous for using by hackers, and you can see this. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share. So goodbye.